traffic.
Off the right side of the road. Probably going 31. Right.
On May 29, 2025, Ohio State Highway Patrol troopers in Butler County initiated a high-speed pursuit on I-75 after a driver refused to stop for speeding. What happened next shocked everyone on the scene.
King Frank Victor 2387. King Frank Victor 2387. They're not stopping. Southbound 32. Reason for the stop was 82. Red GMC Envoy. King Frank Victor 2367. I believe it's a white car.
There's that return to.
2367.
Okay.
1756, we're coming up now.
The traffic is like that.
We're in the right lane, moderate traffic, 70 miles an hour.
Is going to catch up momentarily. Taking clear reinforcement light mail, 4511 2023.
Southbound 30 over 6, 85 miles an hour. Right lane, moderate traffic.
They're not used.
You can almost feel the tension as troopers spot the speeding SUV and quickly realize the driver isn't stopping. Every mile makes things more dangerous for everyone on the highway.
Available to Spike 6.
That 1756 gets up here and try to block them. They keep getting stuck in traffic and they're not trying to recklessly get out of it, they're just slowing down. Probably 79 or 86 or 19.
19.2, can you identify the driver? Start. Take that radio.
Pull up. White female driver, black hair, 40s.
Passing 60 for 18 or 82. Light traffic right now. We're trying to box her in. Stand by. Yeah, she sees us. She's only going around us.
Listen to the urgency in the officers' voices. It's clear. The driver has no intention of pulling over, and every decision here could change someone's life in seconds.
1922, I'll try to pull over now. We're coming up on the rest area.
made eye contact with us. I think it's going to be 79. She doesn't seem to care. She's not really trying to run away. She's just out of it. Southbound 26 over 8.
Exactly, I'll be down the county line. Traffic.
Off the right side of the road. Right on 31. Right, 31. Start EMS.
Start squad, signal high, purposely turn off the red, rolled over about 6 times, call for safety.
Yeah.
This is where everything starts to spiral. The officers are running out of options. And you know something is about to go very wrong.
Fire hydrant,
No seatbelt.
I smell something. Hey! She's alive. Come out! Get out here! Climb out!
Grab gloves.
Hey, get the mechanic's gloves.
What?
Get mechanic's gloves.
Yeah.
You stay with her. Watch her.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can 20 hand call also.
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. EMS coming. Why'd you do that? Where are you going? Where?
You got alcohol right there in your left front. You got alcohol. What's your name?
She's bleeding from the head.
I'll get gone.
I can't tell if it's minor laceration or more.
That's from the crash. Pull over.
Can you hear me? Did you cut your head? Okay, were you wearing your seatbelt? Should be just a cut. She advised she was wearing a seatbelt. She said she's trying to run from people chasing her. People have.
This is the moment everything changes. In an instant, a routine traffic stop becomes a life or death situation. The SUV rolls, and for a second time seems to freeze. The officers' training kicks in as they rush to the wreck. There's confusion, urgency, and a genuine fear for what they'll find.
A GPS on her, I guess.
Even I see you, nurse.
We're not moving her quite yet. She was wearing a seatbelt though, so.
She was.
That's what she said.
She's
Good.
Stay still, sweetheart. Can you tell me your name?
I think she sideswiped it earlier. It was very minor paint transfer.
Stay still.
I think that was from the first time she cut off. I felt something. I wasn't 100% sure.
I got gloves.
Yeah, your head.
I don't know if there's any knives in there or not either.
Hey, what?
Knives?
Try to keep the skills going, right?
Well, then it was completely intentional what you did with the coding one.
Everybody else is okay, all right?
Also, start next available. Signal 5.
Okay, right now, I think all the blood just from this laceration, they bleed really bad.
Okay.
She can tell me where she's at and what's happening and everything.
Did you get, do you have gauze?
I don't have any gauze in my pipe. They got rid of them.
Even in the chaos, a passing nurse steps up to help. It's a small reminder that, despite the danger and adrenaline, there are always people willing to help a stranger.
11 days with the container with alcohol in here as well. Good.
You want some gloves? Plastic gloves?
Just in case.
Here.
I don't know if I like much touching.
We got
Are you feeling
sterile dressing. I assume this some sort of wrap. EMS is on the way.
I think she's okay right now.
We have other stuff too.
What?
We have other stuff too right behind you.
Yeah.
Okay.
We do have
You say
another
your
phone
ER?
scene with them.
I see you.
I see you. I see you.
I'm
nurse.
on my way to work. You guys gonna give me a work note?
Yeah.
Sure.
All right, sweetheart, I'm just gonna put this on your head, okay? Just to help out.
The officers and medics work together to stabilize the driver. It's the end of a wild night, but for everyone involved, the impact will last much longer.